So what happens during coughing and sneezing? So this is the normal graph, but now the person is coughing. So during expiration, we can see many bouts, okay? And inspiration is continuous. So this happens during cough, that is, there is a forceful inspiration and forceful expiration, and expiration is has some bouts. In case of sneezing, in case of coughing, we saw that there are bouts during expiration, but in sneezing, it's not a condition like that. There is forceful inspiration, forceful expiration, and it is continuous. So that is the difference.